So how does the sun's path change from season to season? Okay, so you learned that on a single day, the sun appears to rise and follow a path across the horizon. Day, night, and changing shadows are caused by Earth's rotation. The sun's position also seems to change from season to season. When it is summer in California, the sun is high overhead at noon. This is because the northern half of the Earth is tilted toward the sun. This tilt makes the sun's path seem higher in the sky. When it is winter in California, the path of the sun seems low in the sky. California is tilted away from the sun. The sun at noon is lower. The southern half of Earth is tilted toward the sun. Here is a good example of what we read right now. So the path of the sun in summer and winter. So here it was saying that during summer in California, you can kind of see the days are very long, right? So it takes longer for the sun to get across the sky. So in summer, if you see, what is the difference between the summer and the winter, how the sun is moving?
The summer is much higher than the winter. So I bet that is what it means summer, the days are longer and the winter days are shorter.
Exactly.
Everything.
Right, so if in summer it's much higher, then it's just going to take longer, for it to go down. So that means that the days are longer, just like you said. So very good. So this is when the sun rises and then the sun sets. Okay. So in the spring and fall, the path of the sun is in between high and low. In the spring, days are growing longer and temperatures are higher in California. In the fall, days are growing shorter and temperatures are lower in California. So this is how we said that the spring and the fall is it's that time in between, that very cold and very hot, and how they change. Okay, so read this, please.
In the spring and fall, the path of the sun is between high and low. In the spring, days are growing longer, the temperatures are higher in California. In the fall, days are growing shorter, the temperatures are lower in California.
Okay, good. Okay, so if we look at this little chart right here with the month and the time of sunset, I think this would be very interesting to do because you can see how it starts changing over each month. So I remember here where I live in June, so that was summer, the sun would still be out at 8:30 at night. So it was pretty late and I could still see the sun. And today, the sun starts going down at 6:30 in the afternoon. So it's a big difference. So these two pictures are actually in the same place at the same time. So this is El Capitan Yosemite National Park in California. And this is at 4 p.m. in summer and 4 p.m. in winter. So
is it the night 4 p.m. or the
Is it the what?
Is it late 4 p.m. When we have dinner, or is it or we are sleeping that 4 p.m.?
So p.m. is in the afternoon, right? So this is, and then if it was in the morning, it would be a.m.
Okay.
So p.m. is in the afternoon. So it says, during the summer, temperatures are warmer and there are more hours of daylight. It is still daytime at 4 p.m. in California. Okay, so here we can see during the summertime, the sun is hitting the park very, a lot. There are no shadows, or you can't see too many shadows. Everything is pretty much being hit by the sun. But if you look at the winter, it says during the winter, temperatures are cooler and there are fewer hours of daylight. At 4 p.m. in California, the sun is already setting. So here you can see that most of the water And most of the trees are not being hit by the sun anymore, right? At the same time.